Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of my bucket list day. So today I've got to be honest, this was not the planned video. I had something entirely different from the RV show planned for today, and something happened this week that detoured or altered our plans. And yes, it was Joanne that we had to make adjustments with. She's always a lot of fun and always full of surprises. And well, I'm not going to tell you exactly what happened. I'm just going to show you. Go ahead and watch this. Hey everybody, how you doing today? So while we're connecting hoses, we're going to be flushing the tanks here while Joanne's getting ready, and we are having to go to the urgent care. And you're probably wondering, why are we doing that? And sorry, we're moving around here. Take the cover off the macerator. Well, we're doing that because Joanne decided that she wanted to be 28 again and do something that younger people do. And even though there was 3 adults there telling her not to do it, she decided, oh, I can do it. I'm fine. Anyway, back to why we're going to urgent care. So Joanne decided she wanted to be Miss Tony Hawk and try to get on a longboard and do an ollie. Well, you'll see that didn't work out so well. Sadly, I did not get that on camera, but we do have her aftermath. So we'll see that here in a bit. Hey, Joe. What you doing?
Nothing. I need my sling.
Where are we going, Joe?
The stores.
No. We're going to the emergency clinic. Why are we going there, Joe?
Because I forgot how to skateboard.
Forgot. She says she forgot how to skateboard. Let's point out she's never skateboarded.
Until this weekend.
Yeah.
And then...
And she thought, oh, I'm going to be 27. I'm going to do this.
Yeah, it didn't work out so well.
So now we got to take her to the emergency clinic.
Because
But she can't move her shoulder at all.
I found hit my elbow, not my shoulder.
Yeah.
And I crammed it up, I think, near my ear or something.
Yeah. So this is what we're doing today. Fun.
Oh man, you gotta change the
Miss Tony Hawk, are you ready to go to the emergency clinic?
I gotta teach all those youngins how to skate.
Somebody drove this truck and didn't put the seat back.
Somebody's much littler than you.
So, yes, we are going to spend the day, or half the day, or some part of the day, working on her wing. Because...
I'm flying in a circle.
Now, I should give you guys a little backstory here. That she had 3 adults tell her, don't do that, you're going to hurt yourself. She says, no I won't, no I won't. Says, don't do it, you're going to hurt yourself. No I won't. Sadly, I didn't get on camera her trying this, which I should have ran for the camera when she said, oh, I'm going to try this.
I was just thinking about it.
And here she is.
I was fine until the back wheels hit the brake in the sidewalk. I should have not been on the sidewalk.
But that didn't cause...
It stopped them, and then it flipped, and then I went back, and that was it.
But there wasn't the wheel sticking that hurt you. It's your fall that hurt you.
Shut up! All the wheels stuck, and I got stuck.
So if you ever meet us out, do me a favor, don't challenge her on anything. Because she'll say, oh, I'll do it. I'll try it.
I have no qualms.
And it'll end up being me spending time taking care of her and taking her... Yeah, not like I haven't done that in the last 6 months.
Oh, no.
Oh.
5 years.
5 years. I forgot about the other surgeries.
I haven't even.
Yeah, she is a walking medical miracle.
Almost everything will be new soon.
That's right. The bionic woman.
I am indeed. Well, soon.
All right, so I got to drive. Here we are. There she is, ladies and gentlemen.
Stop it. Stop it.
A fine specimen of a woman who thinks she can do anything. Why don't you try to ride that gurney like a skateboard? See what happens.
Everybody hide your eyes because you
let's
want to see what I'm going to do to you.
Let's reenact this for everyone to see.
You should have been around with your camera on. No.
Hey Joe, why don't you share your accessory?
I'm going to bedazzle it.
I'm sure you will. It'll have all sorts of new decorations on it.
No, it's going to have a my bucket list day emblem. Right
Oh, you're going to put that there?
Yep, of course I am. You're requesting to see so. Why wouldn't I?
Get on up there, Gimpy.
Yeah.
So there you have it. Joe went ahead and tried to do something that maybe she probably shouldn't have done. At any rate, we got her all taken care of. She's supposed to be walking around in a sling, but every time I turn around, she's got the sling around her neck doing something else with it, holding oranges and apples and other groceries in it rather than her arm. So, but that's typical of Joe. Big announcement next week. We're going to announce that we've got a contest we're going to be launching for this season. You guys are going to be excited about that. We've talked to a lot of vendors and people that are going to be helping out with some great prizes for all of you. And I think you're going to like the contest this year. It's not like last year at all. Completely different. So it's going to be a lot of fun. I'll explain more about that when we talk about the contest. We want to thank you for watching. This is a short video, only because it wasn't the planned video. But don't forget to do all those things, like, subscribe, ring that little bell. All those things we really appreciate. Well, thanks for watching. Make it a great bucket list day. Goodbye.